Hey friends, Nick Norton here. I was about to render a plugin using the audio suite across a bunch of clips and thought I should do a short video on how to do that. So we might be used to using plugins as inserts here, and those render your audio or process your audio, not render it, in real time and use RAM and processing power and all kinds of stuff like that. There's another way to use plugins, which is via the audio suite, which is this menu up here at the top. And it's your same list of plugins. Sometimes there are even a couple more in here, depending what you've got. And when you use a plugin from this audio suite menu, it actually writes a new file, uh, usually in the same place as your audio file here, that has the effect baked in. So then you can deactivate it over here or just export this file without having to, bounce it or convert it or anything, or even not export it. Just pull it out of your audio files folder and you're ready to go. So I'm going to show you how to do that. What I'm going to use is this EQ plugin that I use, the FabFilter Pro Q3. I'm actually not going to be playing any audio in this video because I'm not allowed to for this project. But it's perfectly good to show you the process. So I've established a EQ curve that I want to be using for all of these clips right here. These were all recorded in the same way. And what I can do is copy the settings from this plugin by pressing Command-Shift-C. That's Control-Shift-C on a PC. I can close this window. And then I can open the same plugin from the audio suite menu. Where are you? Right there. And if I press Command-Shift-V, it copies your plugin settings, or pastes your plugin settings. And you can do that between the same plugin on different tracks, or from audio suite to insert, or whatever. That's a real helpful shortcut. All right, I'm going to go ahead and deactivate this guy over here so that I don't double EQ these tracks. And note that activate or make inactive or active is different from bypass. It actually frees up the processing power for that plugin, as opposed to bypassing it just makes the sound stop processing but keeps it alive, as it were. Anyway, this is the new audio suite plugin. And let's get this out of the way for a moment. I'm going to select all these clips that I want to apply it to. Come back on over here, and the thing you want to check out is whether it's creating a continuous file, individual files, or overriding files. If I were to create a continuous file, it would make one long audio file, and we don't want that. If I was overwriting files, it would actually change the files that currently exist, and we don't want that because it means we can't go back to them. So we want to create individual files. That means it's going to create a new file for each of these clips. And let's do clip by clip. That makes sense to me. And mono mode is fine, obviously. Great. And then all we got to do is click this render button. And it takes a while, obviously, because we're doing a whole bunch of stuff. But once it's done, we are going to have a new set of files in our audio files folder that is this plugin rendered onto them, and we can just pull them out and send them to someone or keep working with them without having to run all the processing. So, yeah, thanks for watching.